Okay, here we've got the L.A.B. B.2 here. This is our blade model. Cons would be, this is a center shafted putter. A lot of folks, and it plays like a center shafted putter, unlike our mallet. So a lot of folks have a hard time visually with the shaft sort of bisecting the top line. Also, of all of the different options that we've seen here, this one probably has the lowest MOI. The technology is going to be the least obvious with this one. The positives would include that this thing is positively torque free. Same thing, free to spin in our revealer here. When you put it down into a playing position, you'll see it does not move, staying absolutely dead square. The heel and toe strikes on this one are going to be better than, say, a standard answer style blade, but not nearly as solid on off-center strikes as our mallet. It is handmade again in the USA, machined right out of stainless 303. We hand balance them in our factory in Reno. We have 4 different sightline options for this one. We got a bunch of different shaft options, a few different grip options, and with this one you can actually do some fun stuff with the face, with grooves or icons, or just leave it totally smooth. This is a great option for somebody looking to dip their toe in the water on lie angle balance, who might be a little bit concerned about the size of our spaceship mallet model, but I quite enjoy the B2.